Hey everyone, good morning. Some of you have reached out to me by email to let me know that you are uncomfortable having your face in a video on Flipgrid. I, one, appreciate your advocacy skills, and two, want to take a little bit of time to walk you through some workarounds on Flipgrid. And I also just want to share the reason why we're going to be using Flipgrid so much this year. We will use it to share books, to share assignments, any sort of presentation, because we lose that key interactivity part of class by being remote. And so I love this platform, but I do want to accommodate those who are just uncomfortable with having their face on a screen. So down below, I link some screenshots of ways to get your face off a screen, including using a filter to kind of blur or pixelate yourself, to have a blackboard or a whiteboard completely cover your face, and then to maybe upload a picture of your assignment and to just put that over your face as well. So even though your face is covered, you can still talk, and so it'll just record the audio bit. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions. I'll see you soon.